haul. We're gonna do a thrift haul. Went sourcing over the weekend, got some things. Here we go. I spent a lot of time in the dress section. I don't usually buy dresses, but I want to start buying more dresses. Yeah, I was in the dress section for a while, and the dresses are up a little bit higher than like the other, obviously, because they're dresses. What's going on? Who's, hello? What? Okay. So yeah, so my arms are like kind of sore. Anyway, look at this dress, okay? I have no idea what this brand is. It is called High Advantage. I don't know, or Advantage High. I don't know. I still haven't done research on it. But it's a size medium. I just thought that this was like an ugly but adorable floral vintage dress. Ooh, as I freaking hit my hand off the shelf up there. So it's sleeveless. Looks like this. It's got pockets, and it's like a midi. Actually, this might almost be maxi length. Really cute, right? But like, I don't know, kind of ugly, but kind of cute, right? Like vintagey cute. There's such thing as vintage cute. Like a lot of vintage stuff I think is ugly, but it's vintage cute. Look how big these pockets are. It fits my iPhone 13 Pro Max like just fine. Like huge pocket. Okay, my husband actually found these jeans in the men's section. They're made well. They're the classic straight jean. They're a size 33 petite. Look like this. But yeah, they're petites. My husband's like, are those capris? I'm like, no, it's petite. He's like, yeah, capris. I'm like, no, it's petite. Petite is for like shorter people, you know? Yeah, these are in excellent condition. The patch is like excellent. I think the inseam was 22 when I measured. Ooh, guys, these Athleta Sculptec jeans. I've sold a couple of pairs of these before and they sell really quick. These are a size 8 and they're in this gray color. These jeans are just, they're great. They're like stretchy, like comfortable jeans, not like stiff ass friggin' jeans, you know? They're comfortable ass friggin' jeans. I found this Champion sweatshirt. This is the reverse weave, so it's the thicker material. It says size extra large. Fits more like a large, just this pretty pink color with the all over logo. This is Ralph Lauren. It's a size 8. It's 100% linen. I thought this color was really pretty, like this teal blue color. This has pockets as well. And it is a midi length dress. Really pretty. Some aloe leggings. These are the goddess leggings. I've sold a couple of pairs of these before. Look like this. These are a size small. This Lily Pulitzer dress. This is a size extra small. This fits more like a small though. Really cute. Looks like this. And then the bottom, wait for it, we got a little surprise. Oh! The back is cute too with like this like crisscross detail. I was looking in the men's section. I wanted to spend more time in the men's section, but I literally spent like an hour in the dress section and the kids were like, all right, we're ready to go now. But I did look briefly in the men's section. I found these shorts and these actually already sold. These are cool shorts. They're size 36. They're just lightweight shorts. There's the logo. This was actually from my ThredUp box. I just filmed a video showing you guys what I got in a ThredUp box I recently got. And this was actually in there, but somehow this ended up in my thrifted pile, but I'll show you guys this anyway. It's an Athleta tank top, size medium, really cute. It does have a stain on the front though, so that sucks. But the back looks like that. Again, this is from ThredUp. This wasn't thrifted. Found this North Face jacket. I was looking at the jackets. I feel like a lot of people aren't looking at jackets right now because it's springtime, so there were some good jackets. This is North Face. This is really, really nice bright pink color. It's a size medium, excellent condition. I'm dropping shit as usual. Patagonia jacket, I was so excited. It's the better sweater, but then I noticed it had a freaking logo on it, but I'm like, I'm still gonna get it because I feel like the logo isn't like, it's not too bad, especially if you got longer hair, your hair could cover it. But yeah, it's a better sweater. It's a size small, gray, and the logo says Luke's with a lobster, so I'm assuming that's like a seafood place. But you know, if you're wearing it, like, see, my hair would cover it pretty much. So I don't know, this is an excellent condition. I think this is a men's small actually, not a women's small. Yeah, this is definitely a men's small. I need to change the listing. I saw these joggers and I was intrigued. This is a collaboration between Puma and Random Event. I think Random Event is just a brand. I don't know, I gotta do more research. But it looks like this. My camera's washing it out, but we got like orange. Okay, there we go. Orange stripes on the side, and then on the back, really cute flowers and carrots on both sides on the bottom. They're a size large. So yeah, again, I need to do more research on this, but comps looked really good. They were like $70 to $80. So yeah, I don't know. Again, I don't know what Random Event is. I looked it up briefly and I think it was just a clothing brand. We have this Free People dress. I think this is vintage. Look at this tag, guys. Is that vintage Free People? I'm not sure. It's a size medium, but this dress is super cute. Looks like this. I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, it's got like a see-through panel on the front and on the back. Another Free People dress. This is a size small, just long sleeve with stripes, and it has like metallic threading. I don't know if you can really see. I gotta change my battery. We're back. I found this Nike Windbreaker. Really cute, size small. Another Nike item. This is a jumpsuit, size medium. Little tank top. Looks like this goes down to like joggers. I am so good at modeling things. And then it like crisscrosses in the back like that. Super cute. Okay, I found this Silence and Noise romper. I thought this was cute. Just gold triangles on it. And then in the back, it's like sheer. Another romper. This is Topshop. I just like the color of this. I thought it was really pretty. And the detail in the back. This is a size small. I found this Madewell dress. This is a size small. It's just off the shoulder. I think I forgot the name of this dress. Super cute. I randomly found this shirt. It's a Nickelodeon shirt and it's got the Rugrats on it. It's a size large. I found this Rag & Bone sweatshirt. It's a size men's medium. Is that like the Rag & Bone logo? I don't know what that shape is on the front. I don't know what that means. Vineyard Vines linen dress. It's a size small. It's like a cover up. You can use it as like a cover up. 2 layers to it. You can take out the like inside layer. It's just like a spaghetti strap slip dress kind of. But yeah, I thought this was cute. White, 100% linen, sleeveless. Another Free People dress. This is a size small. Really pretty slip dress with like stuff all over it. It is missing a few of these guys right here, but it's not noticeable. It's got like way too much going on for someone to be like, oh, I see a couple missing right there. You know, like it's, I don't know. The back's really cute too. This has really good comps online, so we'll see how this does. All right, I don't usually pick up Zella, but if it's new with tags, I will. And this was, I mean, the price was right. It's a size small. It's just a fleece black zip. This dress, oh my gosh, I love it. I might have to just show you a picture of it because I don't know if I can hold it up. But it's Silence and Noise. It's Urban Outfitters, new with tags. It's a size small, I believe. This is the Goddess knit dress, I think. But yes, this dress is so pretty. I'm gonna have to just post a picture because I can't do it justice. It's maxi length. I love this like gray color and this material is so soft. And I found this Celtics hoodie. I might keep this for myself. I like how it's got buttons here. Oh, I can show you right there. Buttons. This is Adidas Celtics hoodie. I really like it. I found these pink Victoria's Secret seamless shorts. These are so cute. I would keep these, but my butt, nope. Not fitting in these. They're a size small, I think. Yes, size small. Yeah, no way in hell. But they're super cute. All right, so that's everything that I got. No, actually it's not. I lied. I still have another bag over there. Oh, I don't know. I might do a part 2. If there's anything you see you want to purchase, everything is listed in my Poshmark closet. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.